Ronin. Have sword, will travel. Bedtime haiku. Greetings, soft darkness. My head heavy and weary. Sweet long dreams take me. Hi, I'm Kristie Lynn Higgins, and I am the author of the Ronin, Have Sword, Will Travel illustrated Japanese mystery series. This poem comes from the book How to Frame a Murder. Part 1, Cat Painting Mystery. Thank you for viewing my video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Look for more of my poems and reading segments on my playlist. You can also find out more information about the book entitled How to Frame a Murder, Cat Painting Mystery by clicking on the link above or in the description.